Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the SAT School Learning Management System. This is Amber Akhil, Class 3 Mathematics teacher, Unit number 3, Chapter number 5, Fractions. The topic is Compare and order fractions. Learning outcomes. At the end of the unit, the students will be able to find like fractions, unlike fractions, compare fractions, and order fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5. This is the like fraction because the denominator are same. Fractions with a different denominator are called unlike fraction. For example, 4 upon 7, 3 upon 6, 1 upon 5. All these fractions have different denominator, so we call it unlike fraction. Compare and order like fractions. When comparing fractions with a common denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Let's consider 2 upon 8. The first figure have 8 parts and 2 parts are colored. The second picture have 8 parts. Total number of parts is 8 and 3 parts are red. And the fourth picture is also divided into 8 parts and in which 4 parts are colored. So you can easily say that the greater numerator is the greater fraction. The last one, 4 upon 8, is the greater fraction. So we can say that 2 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 is less than 4 upon 8. So it means 3 upon 8 greater than 2 upon 8 and 4 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Compare and order unlike fractions. When comparing fractions with a common numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Here in like fraction we have considered the common denominator. In unlike fraction we are considering here the common numerator. Common numerator means you have shaded part. The shaded part are common. So for the first picture is 4 upon 7. A rectangular shape has total number of parts 7 and the colored part is 4. In the second picture, the rectangular shape is divided into 9 equal parts in which 4 parts are colored. In the third rectangular shape, the total number of parts are 10 and in which 4 are colored. In three rectangular shapes, the numerator are the shaded parts are same, but the total number of parts are different, means denominator are different. If we consider first part, we have 4 numerator and 7 denominator. So part of the colored part is bigger than the second fraction. 4 upon 9, it has smaller 4 colored part. 4 upon 10, again it has smaller than 4 upon 9. So we can see that in the unlike fraction, if we have common numerator, so we have the the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. So we can say that 4 upon 10 is smaller than 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9 is smaller than 4 upon 7. On the other word, we can see that 4 upon 9 is greater than 4 upon 10 and 4 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9 is greater than 4 upon 10. So we can say that when the numerator are same, we compare the denominator. The fraction with the greatest denominator is the smallest fraction. Order and compare unlike fraction by making common denominator. Again, we have the third type of fraction which have uh, no common denominator or no common numerator. So we have a different method to compare it. We have to make common denominator first and then compare it. The fraction is 4 upon 3 and you have to compare the fraction 4 upon 3 and 6 upon 5. There is no common denominator, there is no common numerator. So we have to take another method. Step 1. Make the common denominator. How? By multiply first denominator 3 by 5. The second fraction have 5 denominator. So you have to multiply the first denominator by the second denominator and the second denominator 5 by 3. Got it? Step number 3. Multiply the first numerator by 5. Why we are multiplying here by 5? Because we know the equivalent fraction. For making equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the fraction by the same number. If we are multiplying denominator by 5, so we have to obviously multiply 4 by 5. So we have to numerator by multiply first numerator by 5. Step 4. Multiply the second numerator by 3. Why we are multiplying by 3? We know the equivalent fraction. We are multiplying the second denominator means 5 by 3. So we have to multiply 6 by 3. Now look at this. The 4 upon 3 multiplied by 5 and 6 upon 5 multiplied by 3. Why we are multiplying by 5, first fraction by 5 or multiplying second fraction by 3? Because we have 5 in the second denominator and we have 3 in the first denominator. We have to change this fraction in the common denominator. That's why we are multiplying the fraction by the opposite denominators. So 4 upon 3 multiplied by 5 means 4 5s are 20 and 3 5s are 15. The second fraction 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 5 3s are 15. So the common denominator we are getting the common denominator that is 15. So greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 4 upon 3 is greater than 6 upon 5. Let's do practice. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal sign. The first fraction 7 upon 15 and 10 upon 15. The denominator are same, so smaller fraction is 7. So we can say that 7 upon 15 is smaller than 10 upon 15. In the second blank, 5 upon 9 and 3 upon 9, we have to compare it. Observe the denominator are same. So numerator, where is the greater numerator? 5 upon 9 is a greater numerator. So we can see that 5 upon 9 is greater than 3 upon 9. Yes. Now 6 upon 8 and 6 upon 10. We have common numerator. So we have to observe the denominator. Smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. So 6 upon 8 is greater than 6 upon 10. Now this is typical question. 4 upon 6 and 5 upon 7. It has no common numerator, it has no common denominator. So we have to change it into common denominator. For this purpose, we have to multiply first fraction by the second fraction denominator. So you will be multiply 4 upon 6 by 7. So we get in numerator 7 4s are 28, and in the denominator 6 7s are 42. So the new fraction is 28 over 42. If we multiply second fraction by 6, 5 6 are 30 and 7 6 are 42. So which number 42 is the common denominator? So observe the numerator. In first fraction we get 28, in second fraction we get 30. So we can say that 4 upon 6 is less than 5 upon 7. I hope you have learned how to compare like or unlike fraction. So keep practicing it to be perfect. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.